Hello, YouTube. This is Rolando. One more time, I'm here to help you with many different things from fixing a machine, disassemble something, or if you have any question like iPhone repair, iPhone reset, or anything that I can help, and I know that I got the knowledge. So, the main idea of this channel is share the knowledge and try to help others. Like sometimes there is problems that you don't have to go to a technician and pay for. There is problems that you can solve yourself if you have some patience and follow the right steps. So in in the next segment, I'm gonna be explaining you about the computer things. Sometimes when you have to reinstall Windows, and when you have to like in your computer, let's say you have this kind of laptop or desktop that they don't come before the computer. They used to come with a sticker where they have the product key in case you have to install the operating system again. You find it, and you use it to activate your version of Windows. But what many people don't know is that you can still get Windows 10 from the internet. You can still get it and install it. Like if you had a laptop with Windows 7, 64 bits or something like that, you can upgrade. And sorry if my internet is not so fast, but I'm trying to do my best here. So I'm using my hotspot with my cell phone. And what I'm using here is a Lenovo ThinkPad, um, which I was able to install Windows 10 because they already come with Windows 8. As I was saying, you can upgrade for free. You don't have to pay any money for it. So you go to Windows, you type Windows 10, upgrade. Uh, yeah, Windows 10, download. Let's say we write down download. Okay. So you click here and you go to this. You're gonna find this. So what you want to do is go to this one where they say the ISO file. And once you are there, like let's say your computer has Windows 8 or Windows 7, when you go to this website, what it's gonna ask you to do is, if you have good connection, not like mine, like I'm using the hotspot for my phone, but I'm just giving an example. When you go to the Windows website, and what you have to do basically is download the update tool. When you go to the Microsoft Windows 10, you see how the prices, see there is prices in every single program. But what I'm saying is you don't have to pay for those. You go to the Windows website and you act like you want to download the tool, the upgrade tool, and I will see if I can download it, and the tool will download Windows 10 by itself. But at the end, when it's ready to install, it will ask you, what do you want to do? Like, do you want to install from there? And do you want to install from there, or do you want to create a bootable USB drive? That is when this come in play. So I have my version of Windows 10 here, in this I'm sorry about that, in this USB drive, which is 16 gigabytes. So basically, the update tool, what it does is it creates this bootable drive for you. And what it happened next is that once it created, so you can use it to reinstall anytime you want, as long as the computer is able to upgrade. So if the computer is able to upgrade, I mean, everything is working in the legal basis. Like if the computer is able to upgrade, you install Windows with this. After the installation, so if you can see here, I'm gonna make a close up. It say create Windows 10 installation media. So you download that, which I'm not gonna do right now because my internet is slow, and I already got, as you can see, I already got Windows 10 in my computer. So you download, the first step is you download this first, this tool. You let the tool run and download the Windows 10 version. At some point, it will ask you if you want to create a bootable USB. So that's when you take advantage that you don't have to do, like, I don't understand why is people in the internet saying download Rufus and go to this link, go to that link. I mean, I'm not gonna talk I'm not gonna be telling you I mean telling you crap. I'm telling you the things how you can make this more simplified for you. And honestly, what I can tell you is that this tool that Windows itself has can create your bootable drive once if you follow the step and read carefully when it asks you to do it. So all it will ask you is like plug your memory, and that thing, as long as you have a fast connection, not like mine, sorry about that, it will create the tool for you. So once it create the tool, what you do is we're gonna close this, and after I will show you what to do after the installation. Okay, so I'm gonna close this and I'll show you what to do. I mean, if you don't have the product key, don't worry, so keep going anyway. After the tool is created, what you do is you turn off your computer, you shut it down, you turn off your computer. You're gonna wait it turn off, and depending on the machine, you have to find out what kind of machine you have. A computer, so you have to enter to the boot menu. So I'm gonna turn on again this, and in my case is F12. As soon as you see the logo, you start to press F12. So I'm gonna go to that menu. So it says Windows Bootable Manager. So I'm gonna plug the memory, then you can see. I'm gonna plug the memory, and I'm gonna restart the computer. Restart and do the same thing. Sorry, I should plug it the first time. So now we're gonna see here, as you can see, SanDisk screws, and this is my USB, my bootable USB. After the Windows tool created bootable USB, you will see it here in your boot menu. So what you do is to hit, I mean, like, you use your arrows, of course, to move and select it. You see, it gets darker when it gets selected. You selected that and press enter. When you press enter, so I'm not gonna reinstall Windows in this because I'm gonna swipe whatever I have of files, and I don't have what I told you before. I didn't have nothing in this computer, so I just grabbed it from from the box of recycling, and because I needed a computer, so, and I just grabbed it from the recycling box and put Windows 10 on it, and that's it. So I'm using a computer probably out of trash, so just because I didn't have no money so to do it, so it doesn't mean that I'm not gonna resolve my problems. And actually, it's a pretty good machine. So this machine is an iCore 5 and it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. So you will find this menu and you follow the steps. There is a point right here where it will ask you, you want to repair or install. You tell it install, and there is a place where you can see partitions. So I don't know if it is gonna keep going or I'm gonna have to block it. So it asks you for an activation key. So what you tell it is I don't have. If you don't have it, so you say I don't have, and it will ask you to it will go to the setup menu. You select the version you want. So in my case, I choose the Windows Pro. You select your version. So for example, Windows Pro 64, which is the versions that are in the memory already. So you hit next, and after you hit next, I'm gonna explain this part because many people say so I cannot do in complete video. So you say next, and you say custom installation. So if you want to start from zero, what you do is you go to every single of these partitions. If you see many partitions, just delete them all. Delete all of them. And when you delete all of them, you can start new. You can start from fresh and keep going with your installation. So many people get stuck here because they don't have the drives. So once you delete all of them, you can start a fresh installation without no problem, without asking you for drivers. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna quit because I don't want to install Windows. I say yes, and okay. So you're gonna have to download a program that is called Show. I already have it installed on mine, so it's called ShowKey Plus app. You want to know why? This application is on the Windows 10 App Stores, Microsoft App Store, and you can download for free. So I will cover the phone camera for a minute while I show you what the application is going to do. Because as I was saying, that some people facing the problem that they don't find the stickers with Windows 7 or Windows 8, or if the sticker go bad, or you cannot see the letters pretty well, or it's a computer with Windows 8 that you cannot see that sticker no more. So this is the application you gotta download from the app stores right here, Windows app stores. And once you download, it will launch, or you open it right straight for Windows, or you open it, and then what's gonna happen next is like, for example, I'm gonna open it right now. I'm gonna cover up the camera because obviously I don't want to show up my product key, but I will open it right now. I will focus, and I'm gonna cover my product key. So, and then as you can see right now, that's what that application does. That application does. To show you the original product key. So for upgrades, if you can see, is this one right here. So this is the original description of my machine. As you can see, it came with Windows 8. And it shows you every single thing, every single detail. But the most important thing is you can see the original product key. And if Windows is not activated, you write down that on paper or copy, and you paste it. To activate Windows, I'm going to close this. Of course, if when you open it, it will show you the complete product. I just click on them to cover the rest. That's all I did. So you write down here in the Finder, activate Windows. Activation settings, and it will take you right straight here. So if Windows, so as you can see, activation, Windows is activated with a digital license. That's fine. But we got Windows 10 Pro. So if it's not active, then you enter that product key that you find with that application, and you'll be fine. So I hope this video is helpful for you.